Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer a domain from Weebly to another domain registrar or hosting services. Let's make this process simple and stress-free. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. And once you are logged in, click on the account icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, click on the option saying website and click on domains. This will take you to the list of domains associated with your account. Find the domain that you want to transfer and click on it. This will open the domain management setting. To transfer your domain, you will need to unlock it. For the option to unlock the domain and click on it. Next, you will find an authorization code to transfer the domain. Find the option labeled Get Authorization Code and copy the code provided. Now log into a new domain registrar. Start the domain transfer process by entering your domain name and the authorization code. And that's it. Transferring your domain from Weebly is straightforward if you follow these steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.